How to leave and remove Samsung blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the blockchain wallet. And here, make sure you go back to your wallet and then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down, then tap on Leave Samsung Blockchain Wallet, and then tap on Leave Samsung Blockchain Wallet. And that's it. So you have now removed the blockchain wallet. If you open it, you need to relink or import your wallet again. So here is the Samsung blockchain wallet. Tap on continue, tap on continue, and then allow, and then allow. After that, you'll be able to set up your wallet again by tapping on the link button. Here you need to enter in your 12 recovery phrase so that you can restore or import your existing wallet. And that's it. So that is how you can leave and uninstall the blockchain wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.